Hello everyone, my name is Namain Melati with student ID 23412036 from class AKT 23A. In this session, I will be presenting a learning material that is both interesting and important for you to understand together. Here is the explanation. Stock and bonds are two of the most common financial instruments in the capital market. They are used by companies and government to raise funds for business expansion and development. Investors purchase the instrument as a way to grow their wealth over time. Although both are investment tools, they have different characteristics, risks, and return. Understanding this difference is important for making better investment decisions. Stock represent ownership in a company, while bond represent a loan made by an investor to an user. Investor who buy stock becomes stakeholder and might receive dividend. Meanwhile, bondholder earn interest from their investment over a specific period. But instruments play a crucial role in financial market and economic growth. Therefore, understanding their concept is essential for investors. Stocks are financial securities that prepare ownership in a company. When an individual purchases stock, they own a portion of that company and have the right to claim part of its profit. Stocks are typically traded on stock exchange, and their price fluctuates based on supply and demand. Investors may benefit from capital gain when stock price increases. However, stock investment also carry risks due to market volatility. In addition to capital gains, investors may receive dividends as a form of profit distribution. Dividends are usually paid periodically depending on the company performance. Stock also gives shareholder voting rights in certain company decisions. However, returns are not guaranteed and investors may face loss. Therefore, investing in stock requires careful analysis and risk management. Bonds are debt instruments issued by companies or government to raise capital. When investors buy bonds, they are essentially lending money to the user. In return, the issuer agreed to pay interest known as coupon over a specific period and the end of the bond maturity. The principal amount is repaid to the investor. Bonds are generally considered safer than stock. Despite being relatively safer, bonds also carry certain risks such as interest rate risk and credit risk. The value of bond can fluctuate depending on change in market interest rate. Additionally, if the user fails to meet its obligation, investors may face losses. Bonds are suitable for investors seeking stable income and lower risks. Therefore, they are often used for portfolio diversification. Stock and bond differ in terms of ownership, risk, and return. Stock represent ownership in a company, while bond represent a loan to an entity. Stock investors have the potential for high return but also face high risk. In contrast, bond investors achieve fixed interest payment and generally experience lower risks. The different make instruments suitable for different types of investors. Another case is different lies in income and priority. Bondholders receive interest payment regularly and are prioritized during liquidation. Shareholders, on the other hand, receive dividend only if the company generates profit. Additionally, stock price tend to be more speculative compared to bond. Understanding these different help investors choose appropriate investment strategy. Stock and bond are essential components of a well-balanced investment portfolio. They allow investors to diversify their investment and management risk effectively. Stock provide opportunities for growth, while bond offers stability and steady income. Combining both can help investors achieve long-term financial goals. Therefore, understanding how to balance the instrument is crucial. In modern financial market, both instruments contribute significantly to economic development. Companies rely on stock to raise equity capital, while governments use bonds to finance infrastructure and public projects. Investors, in turn, benefit from the opportunities to grow their wealth. By understanding stock and bond, individuals can make informed financial decisions. Knowledge is especially important in today's dynamic economic environment. Thank you for watching this learning video until the end. See you again in the next session.